In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a table with color in Google Docs. Let's dive right into it and add a splash of visual appeal to your documents with just a few simple steps. First off, you'll need to open Google Docs. You can do this by navigating to the Google Docs website through your preferred web browser. Once there, select the document you would like to work on. If you haven't created a document yet, you can always start a new one to experiment with these features. Once inside your document, click anywhere within the table you'd like to add color to. This action will ensure that you have the table selected and ready for any modifications. With your table selected, look for the option labeled Table Options located within the toolbar at the top of the page. Clicking on this will open up various settings you can tweak. Now that you've accessed the table options, you'll see an array of customizable features specifically tailored for your table. Here you're looking for the color settings, which is exactly what we're interested in today. Select this option to reveal more detailed color settings. Next, you should see the cell background color setting. Click on it to bring up a gradient of colors to choose from. Your job is to select the color you wish to apply as the background for your table's cells. Keep in mind that the color should complement the rest of your document, making the table easy to read. Once your main table cells have a background color, you might also want to consider coloring the headers for a more cohesive look. Click on the headers of your table to select them and repeat the process. Access Table Options, click Cell Background Color, and pick a color. This can help in distinguishing the header row from the rest of the table, making your document that much clearer. After you're satisfied with your color selection for the headers, it's time to move on to the other rows. Select the additional rows you would like to apply a background color to, and repeat. Access Table Options, click Cell Background Color, and choose your color. This uniform approach can enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your table. Finally, once you've colored the necessary parts of your table, click outside the table to finalize your changes. The simple action will apply all your edits and bring you back to the main document view, showcasing your newly customized table in all its colorful glory. And there you have it, a beautifully color coordinated table in your Google Docs. With just a few clicks, you've improved the visual impact of your document, making it not only functional, but also visually pleasing. Feel free to experiment with different color schemes until you find the one that best suits your document's theme.